How to create motion pattern effect in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Capcut application and open up the project that you want to create motion pattern effect on. After selecting the project, you can just tap on the effect section which is at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, then tap on video effects. Then tap on the search bar and here you can just search for the motion pattern. After you make a search, you'll be able to see the option of motion pattern at the very first. So you just have to tap on the motion pattern, and after that you can just go back to the video and you can elongate this effect as long as you want or as shorter as you want depending on what you need for your video. So let's go and look for this, and this is the effect that has been added. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.